In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your chat on Google AI Studio. So this is very simple. So I'm gonna open a playground, and from here you can see my chats. So if I open this chat, you can see it, and you can delete it by clicking on those three dots. So click on more options and then just simply click on delete. If you are sure, click delete again, and this is going to delete your chat. Now if you click on view all history, you can see all your chats here, and it should also delete it from Drive. So if you click on open in Drive, you should no longer see your chat which you deleted. So how may I help you? It's over here. So if I'm going to delete it in here in Google AI Studio, it should also delete it from Google Drive. So delete. And now, as you can see, it's also deleted from Google Drive. So this is how you can delete your chat in Google AI Studio. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.